10 Russian aircraft used in Ukraine. Sukhoi Su-30 multirole fighter for all-weather, air-to-air and air interdiction missions. Sukhoi Su-34 all-weather supersonic medium-range fighter-bomber strike aircraft. Sukhoi Su-35 single-seat, supermaneuverable fighter. Sukhoi Su-57 stealth multirole fighter aircraft. MiG-31 supersonic interceptor aircraft. Ka-52 all-weather attack helicopter. MiL-24 all-weather attack helicopter and troop transport. MiL-28 all-weather, day-night, anti-armor attack helicopter. MiL-26 heavy transport helicopter. MiL-8 medium-lift transport helicopter.